back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look for you guys today. I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look right here. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is priming with concealer and then setting everything into place with some translucent powder. For today's look, I was really inspired by warm tones, so I had to pull out my Violet Voss Matte Vibes matte eyeshadow palette, and this is my favorite palette for those warm tones. So I'm going ahead and picking up this really warm transition color right here, and I'm just applying this directly into my crease, winging out that outer corner because we are doing a cat eye shape for today's look. Next, we're going into this angled brush and picking up this shade right here in the color New Wave. And I'm just going to be applying a line of definition directly in the center of my crease. Once again, winging out that outer corner. And like I always say, guys, if you need a guide of where to apply this line, you can always apply it with your eye open, especially if you have semi-hooded eyes like I do. I have two little creases on my lid, so this just kind of opened my eyes. It's going to open my eyes up and give me a lot more lid space. And then I'm going into this tapered blending brush, and I mixed the first transition color and the second red shade together to kind of blend out and diffuse this line, and it's just going to give us a really nice gradient. And then I went ahead and I cut my crease with concealer and set my lid, and then I'm going into my Too Faced Natural Nudes palette, and I'm going into that gold shade, and I'm just applying this all over my lid. You can go ahead and grab any gold metallic shade in your collection. This is just the one that I had in my collection, so I just went ahead, picked that one up, and I did wet my brush with some Fix Plus. Next, I applied a line of glitter glue in my crease, and then I went into my Eyekandy Cosmetics Taffy glitter and just applied that directly over top of that line of glitter glue. And then we're just going to be diffusing some shades on the outer corner. So first going into that dark red shade and going into my super small tapered brush and just diffusing that on that outer edge. Next, I'm grabbing the black eyeshadow in that same palette and going into my small tapered brush once again, and I'm just applying this on that outer wing area. And this is just going to really give us the illusion that we have a winged liner, but it's going to be a lot more blown out, a lot more smoky. And then I'm just peeling off my tape. Next, I'm applying my under eye concealer, and then I'm going to be applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bahama lashes, and we do still have these in stock. I recently redid the entire website, so go ahead and check it out. Show some support if you want to. Definitely give me feedback on if you guys like the new site. I took my time with it. I actually really like how it turned out. And then for my waterline, I just went ahead and picked up my Urban Decay Double Life Liner. And then I'm just applying the same shades that we applied up top on the bottom. So first our transition color, then our dark brown shadow with our really small flat defined brush, and I'm just hitting the outer corner for the lower lash line for today's look, and then going back into that smudger brush to blend those two shades together. And then the last two steps for this look, I am grabbing my Full Frontal Fenty Beauty mascara, coating my lower lashes, and then I'm grabbing my Pixie Beauty Subtle Sunrise highlight and hitting my inner corner. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to show your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!